In a move that signals the intensifying of political activities in Tripura, Bipin Debbarma, the state secretary of the BJP, departed for New Delhi on Sunday afternoon. His visit is part of a high-level summons by the party's central leadership to deliberate on critical organizational and electoral matters. Bipin Debbarma arrived at the Maharaja Bir Bikram International Airport in Agartala today to board a flight to the national capital. While the visit was approved, it is being viewed as a significant step in the party's preparation for the state's upcoming political challenges. Speaking to reporters at the airport, Bipin Debbarma maintained a degree of discretion regarding the core agenda, but confirmed the high-profile nature of the meeting. He stated that all cabinet ministers and senior organizational leaders from the Tripura unit are expected to join the deliberations in Delhi.
Meeting tongo Delhi hoite ringzakha all cabinet minister president GSO to sangothonik bhabe ringzakha thakala sema naita uska gote Chini national president bu national election ma thangai tongo ba to sema ko thakala sema sinai ta bu gam khayabo the Tripura president bu sakla hamana din direct sajak sar avon Tripura khana abo to dol pore chinta khane ta mo khane khlaya tabo ga ya pata to sungje to national president election te tini sal chahe apna Khorang bisingono bong 20 tarik bisingo announce hoithang na ba election complete hoithane ba pata to national president baganya saimano baki to all cabinet minister bothangai tong ba joton saimana ita abo.
The outcome of these meetings is likely to be reflected in a series of organizational changes or major policy announcements upon the leaders return to the state later this week. Reported by Salsang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.